and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
Hello, my lovely queens and kings. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome, guys. For those of you that are new, my name is Priscilla, and you are welcome to my lovely queens and kings family. Welcome and join the family. So don't forget to subscribe, watch until the end, like and comment, and follow me on Instagram for all tips, lifestyle, fashion, and everything. Today I am in my pantry. I am going to be doing a pantry makeover. I'm so excited. You know, I'm going to do this Pinterest aesthetic look, and that's what I'm going for. The pantry was organized. I went and organized and did everything, but then everything just got untidy and it was not quite to that, you know, aesthetic that I was looking for. So I'm gonna redo my pantry. So I'm gonna show you guys the before and you'll see the after. So just to give you an idea how you can do that. Most of the stuff I got them from Kmart in Australia and Target, and I think Woolies, so Woolworths. So if you would like to get the stuff, you can get it if you're in America or somewhere else. You can get them from IKEA, from Dollar Cent, anywhere around. So this video will be the makeover. Don't judge your girl because my pantry looks so untidy right now. It's really untidy. So, but anyway, you're gonna see the look, so stay until the end of this video so you can see the after. So I'll show you the before, and at the end you see the after, and you'll see that magic transformation. So guys, this is the before look of my pantry. I just want to show you guys how my pantry look before I do the whole makeover section. And as you can see, it's quite untidy. Don't judge me, you know. We just got into this states. So I am trying to reorganize it and see how. So I just wanted you to have a look at it and see. We got a big pantry. It's really big. It's a walk-in pantry. That was one of the things I put in this house when we're building this house. I was like, yes, I need a walk-in pantry because I used to rent before and our pantry was quite small and it was just so hard to organize. But a walk-in pantry is much easier. But if you got a small pantry too, it's much easier to just be minimum and you can organize stuff. Just get small things and shelving and stuff to help you. And now I'm off to Kmart. Yes, there you go, Kmart. I love Kmart. Kmart Australia is so good. It got so much home decor stuff, a lot of different things. I'm just at the glass section picking up some these wooden laid glass that I want to put my things in that I'm gonna put in my pantry. I'm just picking up stuff and I grabbed a few of those and put in my basket, and I went to this big jar. These are some of the big jars that I got for my pantries. You can see it will be in my pantry when I finish the final look. And I got some baskets, just looking through some stuff and see what I need and what I want. So I'm just going through all these things and just checking it out. Get the shelving to divide. And I was just looking at everything and just mapping the idea in my head and see what I can come up with. So guys, I'm at home right now in my pantry. I'm just taking everything out of the pantry like that. When you take everything out, then you can see how to put things back. So you need to start with a clean surface, and So I'm just taking everything out of the pantry right now. We got lots of stuff. I didn't even know we have this much stuff. I went shopping as well, and I just bought a few stuff to add on to things that we didn't have in our pantry. So now I took everything out. I just put it on the kitchen bench just to have a look at them and see how they look and see what I got in my pantry and how I can organize them once I put them back into the shelf. So I just tidying up first. So I'm just doing a bit of cleaning, and I clean everywhere. She's a Mona Lisa. And just sweep it up, and then just start with a tidy in a clean spot. There must be something better. That's it, guys. Just having fun cleaning. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something better features. So after putting all the things in the jar, I took them back to the pantry and I just started putting them in, but then I just moved things around a lot to see what I was going for and what I like. Guys, I am done. This thing took me all night to do, so I am done. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope it will help you like organize your pantry in your home and you see like this aesthetic look and keep it clean and tidy and quite minimal. You know, I hope you learned something and I hope it was good. But I like the finer thing. I like it all. I like how it came out. I like it and it looks so good. I love it so much. This jar, I got it from Kmart and I got my mixed nuts in it. And I got this jar as well from Kmart. And this one I just DIY my old jar that I have stuff in. It was like a capsicum mix that I bought. It was in this. I just wash it and clean it up and put my cereal put my son cereal in this one. And this one I've got my nuts in this little jar, and I got my rice. You can see we've been eating a lot of rice. That's all. Rice is all gone. Like, we just need to replace that. I got my shredded coconut, I got my pasta, I got my Milo. My husband drink a lot of Milo. As you can see, we're finishing all of Milo, so I need to stock on that. I got my spaghetti in this long jar. I got these ones from Woolworth in Australia, but you can get it from anywhere, as I said. And I got the biscuit in the one. This jar from Kmart as well. This is from Kmart. I got my oat in there. So I got this other big jar from Kmart. It just got this thing in it. I just put a scoop in it so we can use it to take our milk out. We love powdered milk. And I got the self-raising flour as well in the same jar. And I got a little one with the wooden thing lid from Kmart. I got my white sugar in it. I got the plain flour in this one, and then the brown sugar. I just got these label from office work that I use to label all my stuff. And got these basket from Kmart. All these things is from Kmart. I had these in my pantry before, so I just used them. And this one is the, I think it was just plain white one. I just got my other item, just some item that I didn't store, like extra stuff that we don't need to use in there. This one as well, I got extra stuff in it as well that we don't need to use. And I got this as the drink. We just put my kids drinks in it, school drinks and some soft drinks. This shelf, I got my potatoes in here, my onions, and then I got my my sandwich bags and thing in this one, and my cling wrap and foil wrap and thing in my tea towels that are in this basket. And this other one, we just got spare stuff again. I just got spare things in this other bucket. All these things from Kmart. I had it before, and then I got extra storage stuff in this box here that I'm not using at the moment. Part of the pantry, I got this basket from Kmart, and I put the popcorn in it because we love popcorn. My kids love, my husband love it. So I just got my popcorn in this, and you can really chuck it, but we just label it popcorn box. And then in this other basket I got from Kmart as well, I got the lid on top so I could close it. I got some noodles in it, and it's stored away. And I got this shelf from Kmart as well, and this shelf I just put it in between here. And I got my sauces, tomato sauce at the back, and I got my cans food divided. It just gave you extra space to divide to add stuff, so I just put all my canned stuff here. And I got the other basket, I put some chips in there for my kids. This lazy Susan that I got from Kmart, you just bring it, I put my spread on top of them. And then I got this tray from the decor section, you know, the black and white theme I'm going for. And I just put my tea, my green tea and other different type of tea into this one. And I got my black tea into this old minus jar that I just DIY. And I got my stevia into this box that I got to from Kmart. It's just sitting right there. And I just took, I like the look of this. I got rid of the bottle the oil came in. I just got rid of it and just put it into this. It just gives that nice aesthetic look and clean look. And then here I got my kids snacks in this basket. I just put some snacks and stuff here, and that's this part of this shelf, and I like it. It looks really organized and tidy. And maybe in a week time or in a month time, I'm gonna come back in this place and see how my family, we all keep this place tidy, because everyone promised they're gonna keep it tidy. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to Like, comment, and tell me if you like this kind of video. I can just organize some spaces in my house. I can organize, maybe next can be my kitchen cupboard and things. I can show you how I organize it, and I can do my fridge. I can do my room makeover and thing, and my bedroom. I love organizing, so I'm happy for what I did. So I hope you like it. Bye.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. Sunday morning,